Hey there, Alex Kidman here with a quick unboxing of the Redmagic 9 Pro, which has just arrived for me to test. It's an interesting device. It's an Android gaming phone. They're a very specific kind of niche, slightly odd niche in some ways. I should point out also, this is not a phone you'll regularly find in Australian retail. You can't exactly pop down your local Telstra or Optus shop just yet to get it. And I've got to say, this box kind of reminds me of like early 90s PC game boxes if you were around at that time. It's very shiny, but doesn't look entirely premium. Oh, look, win more games. Well, there's a promise. I wonder if it can live up to it. This has literally just arrived, so I will be discovering it as you do, and as usual, all of my unboxings are very ad hoc, so if I sneeze, apologies up front. Win more games here. I'm sensing a theme here, you know. So this feels like it's going to be, I can see there's a phone there, of course. This feels like it's going to be a case of some sort, plus maybe some instructions. And indeed, it's a, wow, that's a generic gaming image, isn't it? And a warranty card, and a very, very thin plastic case. I do approve of phone cases. Phone cases are great used phone cases. I mean, let's be honest here, people. That's not going to protect the phone from much, but protecting it from something is better than protecting it from nothing. Let's get into the phone itself with a quick tip of the phone, that is. And yeah, look, my 90s PC vibe thing is just continuing apace with this phone. It really, truly is. Wow. Okay, torn plastic there, but it's just plastic. It's just plastic. Yeah, I mean, wow, that's quite a back, isn't it? 5G phone, triple lens at the back, display at the front, and controls at the side. Yes, I'm not holding that upside down. As I said, I've just taken this out of the box. This is my first look at the thing. They've sent it to me directly. And we have a little card with a lovely cyborg anime lady on it. Ooh, if you like that kind of thing, I suppose. We have a charger in the box. I will look up what the charger details are and pop them up on screen for you, but that text is a little small when I'm trying to concentrate on not dropping things, but well, so this is going to be one small interesting challenge in the Australian market, of course, because that's not an Australian plug, so I'll have to check that carefully. But it's USB-C charging. I'm not really going to have a drama charging the phone per se. We have a nice bright red, indeed, USB-C cable. I always vaguely appreciate coloured USB cables for reasons I can't exactly explain. Maybe that's just a me thing. Let me know if you are the same. And yes, it looks as though that is my lot. So let's find a power button on here. I'm going to guess that's that, which presumably means that's a mute switch. Do we have any life? Are we alive? Are we dead? We're alive! I'd better get to testing this, and then I can deliver you a review and my thoughts on it. Thanks for watching.